4.B.7. Al-Salaf, loans. Ya ayyuhalladhina amanu idza tadayantum bidaynin ajalan musamman faktubu wal yaktub bainakum katibun bil adli wala yaba katibun aw yaktuba kama allamahu lahu wal yaktub wal yumlilani alayhil haqu wal yataqannahu rabbahu wala yamkhas منه شيئا فإن كان الذي عليه الحق سفيها أو ضعيفا أو لا يستطيع أن يمل فليملل وليه بالعدل واستشهدوا شاهدين من رجالكم فإن لم يكونا رجلين فرجل وامرأة ممن ترضون من Surah 2, Ayat 282, 283. O ye believers, when you take part in a covenant wherein you bind yourselves to pay at a stated time, then write it down. Let a scribe write down your statements faithfully. No scribe can refuse to set them down in writing. He will write it down carefully, literally as God taught him. The debtor will make a statement. Literally, he'll dictate. Let him fear God, his Lord, and abstain from concealing a part of his debt. If he be legally incapable or find it impossible or is not in a condition to make his statement himself, let his agent dictate faithfully in his stead. Call 2 male witnesses out from amongst you, or failing 2 men, a man and 2 women chosen from those whom you consider entitled to give evidence, so that in shuhada'a tadilla ihdahumma fatudhakira ihdahumma الأخرى ولا يأبى شهداء إلا ما وما تساموا تكتبوه صغيرا أو كبيرا إلا جعل ذلكم أقسط عند الله وأقوم للشهادة وأن لا ترتابوا إلا أن تكون تجارة حاضرة تديرونها بينكم فليس عليكم جناح لا تكتبوها واشهدوا إذا تبايعتم ولا يدار كاتب ولا شهيد وإن تفعلوا فإنه فسوق بكم واتقوا الله ويعلمكم الله والله بكل شيء عليم وإن كنتم على سفر ولم تجدوا كاتبا فرهان مقبوضة فإن من بعضكم أحدكم غدا فليواصي أو تؤمن. Case one lapses, the other woman will refresh her memory. The witnesses may not decline to testify when they are summoned. That's like an advantage to the women, right? It doesn't say a woman's testimony is equal to half of a man's. It's that the woman may testify, and if something's left out, another woman can fill her in. That's not the same thing. And Imam Shafi came to that ruling too, is that, his mother used it in court. The Quran actually says this, and it's like, okay, the witnesses may not decline to testify when they are summoned. Do not hesitate, whatever the amount, to record a debt and specify the time of payment. This procedure, which is the most just in the sight of God, maintains the validity of the testimony and proves to be the best means of dispelling all doubts. However, if an immediate commercial transaction is arranged by common consent between yourselves, then it is no sin against you that you do not write it down. Let your statements relating to sales be recorded in writing. Let neither scribe nor witness be put under restraint. In so doing, you would commit an abomination. Fear God. God teaches you, for he knows all things. If you be on a journey and you cannot find a scribe, then let a pledge be taken. If amanatahu walyataqallah Rammahu wala taktumu shahadata waman yaktumha fanahu bemun qalbuhu wallahu bimma ta'maluna alim. You trust one another. Let him who has been trusted surrender in due time. What was given to him, let him fear God, his Lord. Do not refuse to bear witness. He who refuses to bear witness will be guilty in his heart. God knows what you do.